Hello, you are listening to an article from webmobile.com. WebMobile, with a Y, provides quality, people-centered, professional mobile app, and web development services, with globally competitive pricing. The title is, The Algorithms That Rule Our Digital Lives. Algorithms are everywhere in our digital world, influencing our decisions and shaping our experiences online. These sets of instructions guide computer programs in solving problems or completing tasks, processing and analyzing vast amounts of data, to enable quick and efficient decision-making. Web and mobile development, as carried out at WebMobile, relies heavily on algorithms to provide users with a seamless experience. Search engines like Google utilize algorithms to rank web pages based on their relevance to specific search queries. Social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram use algorithms to curate a personalized feed based on factors like engagement and relevance. What are algorithms and how do they work? Algorithms are a fundamental component of modern computing, playing a crucial role in enabling computers to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. At their most basic level, algorithms are sets of instructions that a computer program follows to solve a problem or accomplish a task. For example, a search engine algorithm might take a user's query and scan through billions of web pages to find the most relevant results. A recommendation algorithm might analyze a user's browsing history and suggest products or content that they are likely to be interested in. Algorithms work by breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then solving them step by step. They use a variety of techniques, such as sorting, searching, and pattern recognition, to process and analyze data. Once an algorithm has processed the data, it generates a solution or output that can be used by the computer program. While algorithms can be incredibly powerful, they are only as good as the data they are trained on. Biased or incomplete data can lead to inaccurate or unfair outcomes, making it essential to carefully design and test algorithms to ensure that they are both effective and ethical. The basics of algorithms in web and mobile development. Algorithms are an essential component of web and mobile development, providing the foundation for many of the features and functionality that we rely on in our digital lives. These sets of instructions guide computer programs in solving problems and completing tasks, enabling quick and efficient decision-making. Web development relies heavily on algorithms to deliver a seamless user experience, from search engine ranking algorithms to recommendation systems that suggest relevant products or content. Similarly, mobile development utilizes algorithms to power features like image recognition, voice search, and location-based services. To ensure that algorithms are effective and efficient, developers must carefully design and test them using a variety of techniques, including machine learning and data analysis. They must also consider issues of bias and fairness to prevent discriminatory outcomes and promote ethical decision-making. By understanding the basics of algorithms in web and mobile development, developers can create more powerful and user-friendly digital experiences. The role of algorithms in shaping our digital experiences. Algorithms play a significant role in shaping our digital experiences, influencing the content we see, the products we buy, and the information we consume. They power everything from search engines and social media to recommendation systems and personal assistants, providing us with personalized and relevant content based on our interests and behavior. The use of algorithms improves user experience by reducing search times and improving the accuracy of results. A search engine algorithm, for example, can analyze millions of web pages to return the most relevant results in seconds. Similarly, recommendation algorithms provide personalized product suggestions based on a user's behavior and preferences. However, the use of algorithms also raises concerns around issues of privacy, bias, and transparency. As algorithms become more prevalent, it is essential that developers and users work together to ensure they are transparent, fair, and accountable to create a more equitable digital world. The potential for bias in algorithmic decision-making. While algorithms can be incredibly powerful tools, they also have the potential to perpetuate bias and discrimination if not carefully designed and monitored. Algorithmic decision-making is particularly vulnerable to bias because it relies on historical data, which may contain underlying prejudices and stereotypes. For example, if a hiring algorithm is trained on historical data that is biased against women or minorities, it may perpetuate these biases in its decision-making. Similarly, facial recognition algorithms have been shown to be less accurate for people with darker skin tones due to biases in the training data. To address these issues, developers and researchers are exploring ways to build more transparent and fair algorithms, such as using diverse training data, auditing algorithms for biases, and creating standards for algorithmic transparency and accountability. By recognizing the potential for bias in algorithmic decision-making and taking proactive steps to address it, we can create more equitable and just digital systems. The lack of transparency in proprietary algorithms. One of the challenges with algorithmic decision-making is the lack of transparency in proprietary algorithms, which are developed and owned by private companies and are not subject to public scrutiny. This lack of transparency can create significant challenges for users, as it is difficult to understand how these algorithms work, what data they are using, and how decisions are being made. For example, social media algorithms are often proprietary, making it challenging to understand how content is being promoted or demoted on these platforms. Similarly, proprietary credit scoring algorithms may use undisclosed criteria to make decisions about who is eligible for credit. To address these issues, there are calls for increased transparency and regulation of proprietary algorithms, such as requiring companies to disclose more information about how their algorithms work and to undergo regular audits to ensure they are not perpetuating biases or discrimination. By increasing transparency in proprietary algorithms, we can ensure that users have a better understanding of how these systems are affecting their lives and can make more informed decisions. Ensuring accountability and fairness in algorithmic systems. As algorithms become more commonplace in our digital lives, it is essential to ensure that they are accountable and fair. Accountability means that developers and users are responsible for the outcomes of algorithmic decision-making, while fairness means that the algorithms do not discriminate based on protected characteristics such as race, gender, or age. To ensure accountability and fairness in algorithmic systems, developers must design algorithms with these goals in mind and monitor them regularly for biases or unintended consequences. They must also make sure that algorithms are transparent and explainable, so that users can understand how decisions are being made and challenge them if necessary. Regulators and policymakers also have a role to play in ensuring accountability and fairness in algorithmic systems, by creating regulations that require transparency, fairness, and accountability in algorithmic decision-making. By working together, we can ensure that algorithmic systems are transparent, accountable, and fair, and that they work to benefit all members of society. As developers and users, it is essential that we work to ensure algorithms are transparent, fair, and accountable. By understanding how algorithms work and demanding greater transparency and fairness, we can harness their power to create a more efficient and equitable digital world. Want to know when a new blog post is published? Please subscribe. Thank you for listening to the article from webmobile.com. A subscription button is available at the end of each blog post. We would love it and also encourage you to leave your comment at the bottom of the page. Cheers, hope you listen or read again soon.